Well, good morning, everybody. We've got a couple pieces to go move today, but right now we're detached. We detached so we could put some bolts in this wood here. Here's a bunch of new bolts. Same wood, just some new bolts. It was the ramps, it was falling out of the ramps every time we flipped them open. So had to detach to do that. And tomorrow we've got to run a good run. We're going down to Fort Myers from Central Florida. So we got lots and lots of hours of just travel. So since we're detached, I'm going to go ahead and swap them out. I'm going to put the one stack Mac on the trailer, go move this equipment today with the one stack Mac. That way tomorrow we're ready to go. We got to leave out early. We got to go get what's called a Moffett and a bunch of dumpsters. So that's fine. If it ships, it fits. We got to get them fired up, let them build air so we can move them around. By the way, our channel is growing by leaps and bounds. Thank you all so very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us, and please, please, please go to our website, diesellife.com, do some shopping. Christmas is right around the corner. And beyond that, let's get to work. Let's go. All right, we're gonna finish hooking things up. We'll let them get good and air pressure built up. I'm gonna put gas in the pony motor. And then we'll be off, so let's go do this. Well, I have royally screwed the pooch. I'm all the way here on the job site. You know that I switched trucks. Well, I left my equipment keys in the other truck. So, a little bit on the unhappy side. Trying to get somebody to bring them to me. Nobody's answered yet. Maybe, just maybe, one of these keys will fire this thing up. That'd be a godsend. And when I was getting these keys out, I realized I've got about a gallon of motor oil that has dumped out in the truck. So when it rains, it pours. Well, my buddy Jeremy was on a job site literally 5 minutes away from here. How freaking lucky was that? And obviously he had a cat key. So he come down here and fired up. I'm gonna borrow his key for the day and keep rolling. Whew. We dodged a bullet there, because I would have been sitting here frickin' hour and a half probably. So all is well that ends okay. Get this bad boy loaded up and go get the next one. Let's go. I need room for the 305. I think I've got room, but I do not want to unchain this thing. And do it again. So. Oh, that's right, you can't get out. Shit. You can't get out if we put the bucket up here. Go ahead and back on up and set it. I'm trying to think how we did it before. So, we loaded this in that 305 before. I'm trying to think how.
It was the Kubota.
It was the Kubota?
The Kubota, because the door comes open like this, you can do that.
Well, we'll make it work.
All right.
We'll figure something out. Right, wrong, or indifferent. Can you get out there? Can you pull up any? All right. We'll make it work. Some way, shape, or form, buddy. You know us. Well, we got that one on there. And just did miss the rain. Hopefully, we can miss the rain on... We gotta go pick up one more. We're gonna leave this one on there. Pick up a little mini backhoe. I'm pretty sure I've loaded this and that mini on before. By the looks of it, it's gonna be tight, but I swear I've had them both on there. So, we're going after it, one way or another. Whew. Thanks to Jeremy, he saved my bacon on that one. I'd have been sitting there for frickin', I'll bet 2 hours it'd have taken somebody to bring me a set of keys. He was just right there, right around the corner. Thank goodness. Anyway, hopefully better luck moving forward. Let's get to the next one. Let's go. Well, we're here to get the next one, and we better hustle. It's frickin' coming. Been running through rain all the way here. I see them still on it, man. I hope they're done. But let's get to it. Well, the first plan did not work, so we had to unload the skid steer, get him turned around and load him up. I hope we beat this rain. It's been a heck of a day so far. We've only got one machine loaded. Gosh. Huh? Yeah, but yeah. You pull it up far enough.
I'll pull it up far enough.
See, man, I hope I got enough room. That is freaking close right there. I think we just got it though. Thank you, buddy. Let's see on the next one. That just loosened up. Why? Because it fell out of the damn shit. Do that one again. Well, they're on there. They're tight, and that trailer's full, but it fits, so it ships. Let's get the hell out of this job and go to the next. Well, it has started sprinkling. The sky is super dark. So we're trying to hustle it up. Well, we got them unchained and we're still dry. Now we just got to get them all unloaded. This is the area people got mad at me about blocking restaurant access. Look where I'm at. We got this little lane, putting the equipment over there, but I can't run through there. I got a little bit of a turn lane here. They got some room to at least get by me. That's about the best I can do. But right now, we got bigger fish to fry. We got to get these machines. Duh. Damn it. There we go. Do it right the first time and you won't have to do it right the second time. There we go. Hopefully no one's cutting in behind me. Yeah, that was number one. Now number two. And we're still dry. That's a good thing. Where are you at, keyhole? Here it is. Well, all unloaded, all reattached, setting sail, stayed dry. We ran through a couple pretty good rainstorms. Whew. What a day. That was fast. We got her done. Now it's time to take it to the barn. The reason why I switched the Kenworth and the Mack out on the trailers, because like I said before, we were gonna have to run this trailer all the way down to Fort Myers, and that's a long stroll. And I'm waiting on traffic so I can make a wide swing. I'm inside a frickin' mall. But anyway, we were gonna run all the way to Fort Myers, pick up a Moffett and a bunch of dumpster things, and we'd run down there in the Mack for the air ride and cruise control and all that stuff, and it got pushed. But what we do have is a dry van to move, so when I get to the yard I'll have to detach. Now the dry van, that's a long haul too. That's going all the way to Palm Bay. So that's a long haul. So what I think I'm gonna do is hook the Kenworth back to the trailer. Well, not think, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hook the Kenworth back to the trailer. I'm gonna let Pops take the Mack and go get the dry van. As of right now, we don't have any equipment to run tomorrow, but sometimes that's just the way it goes. We don't have anything to run. We get a phone call or 2 phone calls or whatever. It just starts popping up, popping up, popping up, popping up, popping up. So I'll hang back, do some office work, let Pops go run the dry van, and if something comes up, I'll go run it the KW. That'd be freaking sweet. Have both trucks out on the same day working. That'd be freaking phenomenal. Well, that was a bit of a frustrating day, but we got through it. It's getting chilly. There's some sort of a front pushing through. I don't pay a lot of attention to the weather channels or whatnot. I just let it roll. But it's obviously there's a front pushing through. Windy as it is and chilly as it's getting, that's good. We could use it. Bit of a frustrating day. Appreciate y'all hanging in there with me. We are going to close this one out. Anyway, appreciate you, and we're going to do it again tomorrow.